grad Nike und die Power, doch das macht mich nicht zum Rapper. Das gibt mir nur die Pressure und so ein Vielfaches besser.
Welcome back everyone, I'm Mohammed Rakib from EXPLOI.T and hope you are all doing good. Now we are going to see how a networking hub works in the Cisco Packet Tracer. So you go to these hub, the third icon, and when you click on the third icon, it will show you beside the PT repeater a PT hub. So this is a networking hub. You can zoom in from here. So this is the PT networking hub. So this is the hub. When I double click, you can see, let me zoom in. You can see that this is a 6-port device. Now I already told you that the hubs are multi-port repeaters. So a hub will do exactly what a repeater does, and in addition it has multiple ports rather than 2 ports in repeater. So this is a multi-port repeater. So let's just close it. And now we are going to assign some nodes or connect some devices to the hub. So we are going to make 3 connections to the hub. So we will need 3 PCs or 3 nodes in this. So all these 3s are to be connected to the hub. I'm using the automatic connection because I don't want to waste the time. Now for the next step, we have to assign the IP addresses to these individual PCs for PC 0, 1 and 2. So I'm going to quickly assign temporary IPs to all of these 3 nodes. The method of assigning the IPs is exactly the same. You go to the desktop, and from desktop you go to IP configuration. That is the first option. So I'm going with 10.0.0.1 for PC 0. For PC 1 I'm going with 10.0.0.2. So IPv4 address is 10.0.0.2. All the things are same. I'm going with PC 2 with 10.0.0.3. So for PC 0 10.0.0.1 and PC 1 10.0.0.2, PC 2 10.0.0.3. So let me check. For PC 3 I have IP config. So ping 10.0.0.3, and when I hit enter I'm just pinging to myself because 10.0.0.3 is a PC 2 address. So let me check for the other two. We have ping 10.0.0.2. So we got a reply from 10.0.0.2. 10.0.0.2 is working. And at the last we have ping 10.0.0.1. So we were successful in pinging all the 3 devices connected to the hub, and that means the connection is secured and well established. And now we are going to see in simulation how the messages go from one device to the other device. So for the sake of example, I'm going to assume that I have to send a message from PC 0, that is on the extreme left, to the PC 2, that is on the extreme right. So I'm not talking about the PC 1 that is in the middle. When I hit the play button, you can see the message is going from the PC 0 to the hub, and that is normal. And from there you can see that the hub sent the message to both PC 1 and PC 2. That means it did a broadcast. Now I already told you that hubs are not intelligent device. They always flood the networks with the message that are incoming and the message that are outgoing. So they always flood the network, and similarly here in the case we saw that even though PC 1 was not the recipient, the message was not intended for PC 1, it got the message. So you see the PC 1 message has been discarded because it was not intended for it, but the PC 2 is fine. But the PC 2 knows that yes, the message was for me, and replies back to the hub by sending a message to the hub. And again, the hub, instead of sending the message directly to PC 0, it is sending a broadcast message to both PC 0 and PC 1. You can see the hub is broadcasting again. So the hub is broadcasting the message or flooding the network every time. But since the PC 1 knows that I am not the desired sender, the message is not meant for me, it is again discarding the message, and PC 0 is not discarding the message and accepting it because it knows that I am the only one that sent the message. So you see how the hub floods the network every time, and I told you that you will understand it better when you do the hands-on lecture, because this is the reason why hands-on lecture are the best for explaining this. So this is behind the scenes how the hub works in actuality inside the networks we all use.